Hey instructors, I'm creating this quick little video just to show you how to upload and then also edit your closed captioning. So let me get right to that. Okay, so we're here at the YouTube homepage. So if you've created a video, typically we recommend to upload it to YouTube, and that's where you can do some editing. So I am going to go to my channel. I just want to show you really quickly here how this is done. So here's one of my videos, and what I'm going to do is start editing it. And the way I do that is I have to, click on edit video. And from here, and this is the thing about these instructional videos, like this page may look a little bit different to you than mine, but mine takes me straight to YouTube Studio. So from here, I have to, I will go to more options, and you have to get to the section where it says original video, language, subtitles, and closed captioning. And we're going to choose English for the language. And from there, we have to click on these three little dots, and we're going to edit them, because if you remember from yesterday's meeting, what Maritas was saying was that when you upload them just automatically, they're about 80% accurate, but that's not good enough for our accessibility standards. They have to be at least 99% accurate. So we're going to have to edit these closed captionings. So once you click that edit the closed captionings, you're going to get this type of setting here. So from here, we're going to click the edit button up here. Okay, so now you can see, like, I can put my cursor in here and I can edit everything that I've said. And the way YouTube does it, it kind of breaks it up into sections. So if I want to make sure that whatever I'm saying is corresponding to what I wrote as far as the closed captioning. So I'll just play it a little bit. And from there, I can make sure that it is appropriate, and I can skip to other sections if I need to. So I do the same thing. I'll play it and then listen to it and make sure that everything that's written on here is correct. And trust me, there's, like, you'll catch a lot of different things. So once you're done there, let me see, you can click on publish edits, which is the button up here. So you'll just click on that and it'll save. So you just set your language. And the other thing to note is they'll be on there, but if someone who's watching the video clicks on this button, it'll show them, but if they click it again, then it's not going to show the closed captioning. So if we do that, see, like, you can turn them on and off, so that will be kind of on the user, but us as facilitators will know that we have to click on that button to be able to view them, and we'll be checking to see if there's any errors or anything like that. But for the most part, if you do this, you'll be fine. So that's all I got for you. Hopefully that was helpful.